everybody. So today is going to be the start of a week in my life vlog style. I am actually in LA right now for work, and I just came from San Francisco. So I'm here in LA for a few days for work. So I thought it would be kind of interesting for you guys to see like what I do when I'm down here, and then I'm headed back to Texas, and it's just like a normal weekend in Texas with friends and doing some stuff. So I thought I'd do a weekly vlog. I can certainly keep doing these if they are desired or if you guys like them, so let me know what you think below, and let's hop straight into the vlog. First on the agenda is I'm about to upload a home decor haul right now, so I need to work on finishing that video. I'm actually at my sister's house right now, so this isn't my normal space, so I'm gonna finish. Hunter is actually back in Texas, so we went to San Francisco last week. Well, we moved to Texas, and then we had to go back to San Francisco a couple weeks later for work. So we were both there, and then I actually had to come straight down to LA from San Francisco, and I luckily was able to come a little bit early so I could hang out at my sister's house. If you guys watch Vlogmas, you know that my sister lives here. So that's nice. I'm hanging out with my sisters for a bit. We're gonna probably go do some like furniture shopping today and go to Zinke, which is my favorite place to eat in LA. It's so good. So I'm really excited about that. It's work for the next few days, then back to Texas and back to country life. I'm just kidding. So yeah, bring you guys along of my week, and yeah, hopefully you find it kind of interesting. This is what it's like when I travel for work and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna finish up this video, and then we're gonna leave in a little bit and go to lunch. Okay, so we just got to this wine bar slash restaurant called Zinke. If you are ever in LA, you have to come here. They have amazing food, like small, healthy, well, not small, but really healthy, good bites, and lots of a big wine menu. So I'll show you when our food comes, but it's delicious. You should put it on your list if you're coming to LA.
And you might have to have like a little
Here it is.
comb or something like that.
It's toast with pesto, tuna, tartare, a little bit of
That's
cheese,
like the worst thing I've ever
and
seen.
salt and vinegar chips. Woo! So good. Sorry I didn't vlog after we left Zinke, but we went to Restoration Hardware on Melrose. It's the flagship store, so we went there to get some inspiration for decorating the house, and went to a few more stores, and then came home and had dinner. We've just been hanging out. Actually, we dropped my mom off at the airport, and now it's just me and the sisters. So it's just us three, and we're trying to choose a throwback movie to watch, and we have, well, we had as options She's All That. Please comment below if you remember She's All That with Freddie Prinze Jr. and Center Stage. So
Oh, that was my pick.
So we're watching, I think, Center Stage. We've got it teed up. We're ready to order it. Cannot wait. Oh, what's your pen? Okay. Anyways, we're gonna watch a movie. Catch up with you in a little bit. Bye. All right, what's up, vlog? It is, let's see, day 2. It's Tuesday of the week, and I'm still at my sister's. We are currently lighting up the BBQ. Oh my god, it's gorgeous.
I love
Those
the
are-
tinkly sound it makes.
Yeah. So pretty.
Isn't it pretty?
Those are different than like the charcoal squares.
Yeah, they're hardwood lump charcoal. So they're like kind of look like wood.
It's like bougie charcoal.
A little bit.
It's so pretty. We are gonna barbecue some burgers, and we're having a sister's night in. My other sister is out working right now. She's gonna get home in a little bit, and then we're gonna watch Gilmore Girls and eat dinner, and then tomorrow I have to go on set to work for literally the whole day, and then I go back to Dallas at let's see, 6 at night. So I'm gonna wake up at like 6 a.m. so I can get to Santa Monica and get to the studio in time for work. We're actually doing an influencer shoot tomorrow, so that'll be kind of interesting. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog much at the shoot, but yeah, I'm doing that for work, and then going straight from there to the airport and then home to Hunter and Noah. I miss them so much, and I miss our new house, and I'm excited to like get back there and settle. I've been really tired. It's hard to travel a ton in a row, so I'm ready to like get some rest. But yeah, we're gonna eat dinner, hang out, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. All right. Finally getting on the Gilmore Girl train. My sister turned me onto it. I've never watched it, and I know I'm like 10 years late, but apparently she said it's like so epic. She watched it a couple months ago. So I'm on episode 3 of season 1, and I'm getting there. I need to like learn the characters more, but if anyone's a Gilmore Girl fan, let me know. Do I need to stick it out? I know people love it. I'm giving it a shot, and I'm excited because I would love to have a new series. It'd be really nice. Okay, we're getting Pinkberry. I'm so excited. I haven't been here in forever. Yes. So excited. Thank you. Yum. Oh yes. This is glorious. So good. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning in LA. It's about 8 a.m. and I woke up bright and early. I am currently at the Awesomeness TV headquarters, trying to head to our work shoot. And yes, the work collection is partnering with Awesomeness, so we're gonna be doing a little collaboration, I guess, together. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm trying to find the entrance to the building, so I will catch up with you guys a little bit later. I'm just staying for the day, and then I'm flying out tonight to head back to Dallas. So hopefully I might not be able to bring you guys along today just because none of this content is live yet, but wanted to fill you in. All right, so I just landed in Dallas. You guys probably saw me last this morning, headed to work at the Awesomeness shoot. It was super cool, super fun, but really busy. I like literally did not have a chance to pick up the camera, and then I rushed to the airport, almost missed my flight, and barely got on the airplane. So I actually just got off the plane in Dallas. I'm literally waiting for my bag. And Hunter's gonna pick me up. So excited to be home. I'm gonna go to sleep because it's like 11:15 right now, and I am so tired. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be like a normal work day at home, so you can kind of, yeah, see me work remote. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so this is the real morning routine. Sorry, I have no makeup on. I literally just woke up, and I am sitting down getting ready to work. So I got in really late last night at the airport. It was like probably got home at like 12:30. 12:30, so I slept in really late. It's 10 o'clock right now, Texas time. So I've been kind of on a California schedule because I've been waking up at like 6 a.m. California time, which would be 8 a.m. here. So I'm just like a little thrown off and a little tired from all the travel. So today I am just doing like a normal day. It's Thursday, I have to work. So usually working from home is like no different than like going in the office. I'm just like working all day. So I work California hours. I'm gonna be working 11 to 7. And yeah, it's just gonna be lots of conference calls and emails and doing what I would normally do at the office, but just doing it from home. So just hanging out with the pup. Hunter is playing golf right now. He's about to come back because he's gonna start work as well. And here's my Bubba baby. Hi, mister. You say hi to the vlog? Oh, you're so beautiful. Look at that handsome man. If you missed the Get Ready With Me and my friends. Probably missed the whole dog language segment. You can go back and watch that because it's so funny. I know a lot of you guys were like, oh, I have like names for my dogs too. And I loved that. I was cracking up. Everyone was like telling me their dogs' names in the comments and I was like, this is amazing. You are my people. So I'm just gonna make a little coffee right now. We don't really have like a proper coffee setup. I'm just doing Keurig right now. So I love this one. It's the cinnamon classic roll, cinnamon roll coffee. This is like the only Keurig that I really like. I'm really picky about them. Sorry, this is like the realest morning routine ever. You guys are like literally seeing me in my pajamas. This is like, this is what a vlog is, right? This is just reality. Which by the way, I thought, depending on how this vlog turns out, I thought I could maybe start doing a weekly vlog and just plan a vlog every week because I do a lot of vlogs anyways. And yeah, you guys really seem to like them. I feel like maybe not as many people, like they don't appeal to as many people, but the people that do watch them, like you guys always leave comments and like you really appreciate it and like it. So I appreciate that. So yeah, I thought maybe I could do, I don't know, start to do a weekly vlog. I just kind of vlog every week, or I try to, and then put in my other content throughout the week. So we'll see how that goes. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that many vlogs. But yeah, I'm just going to drink my coffee, hang out with this guy, and start my work day. I don't have any cream, so normally I do like just a little splash. Is anyone else like a dragon? I like everything like burning hot. Burning hot showers, burning hot coffee, and I love everything burnt, like, or well done. Well done french fries, well done potatoes, crispy toast, everything crispy, hot, burnt. Yes, dragon life. So I'm about to put on this pineapple face mask by Sephora Collection. It's one of their new ones. My skin is super dry from all the travel, so I'm gonna test this out. I've actually never tried it before. It's pretty new. I think it came out in April. Oh, it's actually pink. I did not expect that. Lots of serum on it. And I just need like a surge of like hydration. I just feel like my skin is a little dead. Oh, and the pineapple's not like overbearing. It's like just a subtle pineapple. I'm literally about to get on a conference call. I'm gonna be masking while on my conference call. Oh my God, that looks so scary. If you never tried the Sephora Collection sheet masks, they are really good and they're a really affordable price point. They're only like $6. So I think they're actually running a mask promo right now, buy 3 get 1 free. And I really love our eye masks. Those are my favorite. So I work for Sephora Collection if anyone's not catching on to that. Sorry, or if you're new here, I work for Sephora Collection. So, oh, this feels so good right now. Oh my God. Yeah, but the eye masks are like my favorite because they're just really good for like depuffing and stuff. And they're only like $5. So really affordable. There's so many different like flavors and like scents, and they all like do different things. So I'll let you guys know what I think of the pineapple one, but I'm gonna leave it on for my conference call, which is like an hour. So I just wanna like soak it in and drink it in. I look terrifying. Okay, bye. Morning.
Hi.
We are going to Honey Lou's, our favorite coffee shop. It's Friday morning. It's like 8:30, 9 a.m. Sorry, I totally forgot to show you guys Honey Lou's after I sold it.
Well, we go every day, so we'll show you another day.
I'll show you another day, but I got an almond milk iced latte, and it's really good. Now we're in the grocery store next door. We're gonna get some frozen fruit and veggies to make smoothie bowls today for lunch. I was in LA this week, as you guys saw in this vlog, and my sister is vegan, so she, like, I always just like eat whatever she eats when I'm with her. And she makes, she was making a lot of smoothie bowls and they're so good. So I'm craving one now and it's nice and hot here. So I'm like, that's a really good meal. So I'm gonna pick out some frozen fruits to make that and some cacao nibs and coconut, and we're really excited. I'll show you guys how to make it later today, but we're gonna pick up a few groceries and then go home. All right, smoothie bowl 101, freeze your bananas. So I got bananas at the store. They have to have the brown spots on them because they need to be fully like ripened. And then, okay. Then I'm actually just gonna take them out, get a plastic bag, and you're just gonna peel them and put them in the freezer. They don't really sell, well they do sell frozen bananas, but they're really expensive. And you only get like maybe a total of like 2 bananas in the whole bag, and it's like $5. So like you can get all these bananas for like a couple dollars and then just freeze them yourself, and they're fresher and they taste way better. And yeah, it's just yummier. So I usually like bananas are like the base of like a good smoothie bowl. They make it creamy. And then you can mix it with like, you know, berries or mango, whatever you want, but I always use this as a base. Also a really good tip is to put frozen cauliflower in your smoothies or smoothie bowls. It'll like really thicken it and you can't even taste it apparently, and you get tons of extra veggies. So I'm gonna do that today in my smoothie bowl. I'll show you guys exactly what I end up putting in it and stuff, but this is the first step, is to get all the bananas in here and then put them in the freezer. And then let them freeze for a couple hours. They should be ready by lunchtime. It's smoothie bowl time. I got my bananas. I'm doing cauliflower and berry medley. And then I have some oat milk, which is my favorite non-dairy milk by far. So I put in, these aren't completely frozen, but they're halfway there. 3, 4 bananas. Let's start with 3, see how that goes. Cauliflower, berries, oat milk to give it a little liquid, but not too much because I want to keep it thick. Start with just that. So you want it nice and thick. Well, that's how I like it. So it's like, it'll melt pretty quickly. So I like to keep it thick, and the cauliflower made it nice and thick. It looks like there's still some chunks in there that I need to blend out, but. So thick and creamy. It's basically like ice cream, but it's just cauliflower inside. Cold, refreshing. All I need is cacao nibs. I couldn't find them at my country grocery store. I need to go to Whole Foods to get them, but I think the more practice I get, the better they'll be. It's kind of plain, but I kind of like that. I don't want anything too high in sugar. So really, really good. Next time I want to add a little bit of protein powder, maybe get like a nut butter for the top, and maybe a little spirulina. That would make it like a little bit more greeny and good. So I'm going to end the vlog here, the weekly vlog. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below, and maybe I'll do another weekly vlog on an ongoing basis. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days in my next video. Mwah! Bye.